everybody, Miss Jessica here. I have a book about rainforest animals. I'm really excited to read it to you. Let's get started. Look at all of these animals. Lace up your boots, put on your backpack. We're going for a walk through the rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet places full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals. Here we have a sloth, an anteater, a jaguar, a gorilla, a monkey, and a macaw. The rainforest floor is dark and damp. Can you count all the crawling insects? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 insects. Do you? Who is this guy? The giant anteater uses its snout and long, sticky tongue to catch and eat insects. It can eat up to 30,000 ants and termites in one day. That's a lot. And giant anteaters have no teeth. Do you have teeth? I have teeth. He has no teeth. Here's a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs. Look at how cute they are. It's a mommy gorilla, a baby gorilla, and a daddy gorilla. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. What's that sound? It's a red-eyed tree frog. The red-eyed tree frog says, croak, croak. Frogs lay eggs and tadpoles hatch from them. Tadpoles become baby frogs. Wow. Look, what color are his eyes? They're red. Very, very cool. What is it? This big cat with spots is a jaguar. It can roam the rainforest floor or climb into the trees to look from above. Unlike most cats, jaguars like water and are good swimmers. Do you guys like to swim? I know that it's going to be summer soon. I hope we all get to swim, and I hope there's no jaguars. What is it? A boa constrictor coils around a branch and he says, hiss, hiss. Its long, scaly body has patterns to hide from its enemies. He's wrapped around a tree branch. What color is his eye? Green. Very good. A little higher up the tree now, we hear a loud whoop, whoop. What's that? It's a howler monkey, the loudest land animal in the world. Can you say whoop, whoop? Howler monkeys use their loud voice to scare off other animals. Look at this guy. He's so cool. Sloths look forward to nap time, holding on to the branches with their long claws. Sloths are the slowest moving mammals in the world. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Let's climb up some more. See that beautiful bird? It's the scarlet macaw. What colors are his feathers? Red, yellow, blue. The scarlet macaw has 2 claws that point forward and 2 claws that point backward so it can easily grab. What do we see here? At the tip top now, whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. What color is this butterfly? Yes, it's blue. The butterfly is blue. The other side of its wings are brown, which help it hide when the wings are closed. Look at that. His wings are also brown. Look. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. You see this big plant? It's a tree. Maybe one day you will visit them. Bye, animals. I hope you enjoyed our Rainforest Animals book.